So this right here is the popular Ogui Junction. Right is 82 Division and Apapa Junction, Orthopedic Hospital and the rest. Across is Zoo Estate, and to the left is Garden Avenue, Upper Avenue. We're turning left because we're going through old GRA to new GRA. We're heading to new GRA. New GRA is behind Ekulu after phase 6. In fact, it's inside Ekulu, but after phase 6 extension. That is where we're heading to today. I'm going to be showing you some very amazing things in that environment and show you how developed that place is right now. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anozie. Welcome. I'm your favorite real estate consultant based here in Enugu State, Nigeria. If you're new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell beside the button so that you get to be notified whenever we release this type of very, very entertaining and educating videos about real estate happenings within Enugu State, Nigeria. So straight down is Upper Avenue, Garden Avenue, but we're taking right through old GRA. We're heading to Ekulu, then to phase 6 Ekulu, and then to new GRA. I want to show you what new GRA is like, so you watch till the end of this video and you will see what that place looks like. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching. Please share this video with as many people as possible so that they too see the beautiful Enugu State. Enugu is a beautiful state, of course. It is a beautiful city. I'm sure you've enjoyed this video so far. We are right here now exiting Ekulu Phase 6 extension. We are descending and ascending into new GRA. There's just a little bad road down there, which I'm sure the governor is working on, because on the left here is a state-owned layout. Okay, so because of this building they're trying to do here, I'm sure they're going to work on this road. All right, so this is new GRA for as many people as I've asked. Yes, this is new GRA in Ekulu. Yes, it's just kind of behind Ekulu for a moment. There are a couple of properties and estates and layouts in this place, including an estate called Crux Estate. Crux Estate is a C of O estate right here in Phase 6. Of course, we're going to drive straight to that place because on this particular day we're actually coming to Crux Estate, and I felt okay, I should just make a video about the drive through to new GRA and show you what this place looks like, how developed this place is. Once this road is done, I'm sure it will be a very, very beautiful place to live in, especially those that would love to live around Ekulu. Okay, right here is new GRA. There are a couple of estates here. I'm going to do a couple of videos to show you the number of estates around here, but typically land here goes from between 10 million to 20-25 million a plot. Okay, yes, 10 million upwards, and of course it's a buy and build environment. Like you can see, the houses are beautifully built. You can see how the road is. Houses are beautifully built. People actually live here. In fact, it's amazing how this place developed super fast. A few years ago, I'm talking about like 2018, 2017, this entire environment was a bush. Yes, it was a bush. There was just one seminary. There's a Father Eddie's seminary down this road that was around here, but most of these houses were not here, just a few of them around here. And that is how fast real estate and development is right here in Enugu. So we're heading to Crux Estate. Crux Estate is a 15 million naira a plot estate of 500 square meters. I'm going to do an extensive video of the estate, but the estate is just down this road to the right of this place. You know, it's actually in a very built up environment, and the estate doesn't have a lot of plots. Okay, so look out for the video where I explain Crux Estate, and be sure to take your plots now. They're actually working on the road in front of the Crux Estate, so that is why it's not yet fully on sale. But for those that are going to subscribe now, of course you get a good discount and a good bargain on the estate. The estate comes with a C of O, and again, a plot is 500 square meters of 15 million naira. Okay, so call me now on 00967376668. So let us discuss Crux Estate. Okay, so I'm going to just park here and walk down a bit so that you can just see what the environment looks like. So this is new GRA. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, kindly share this video with as many people as possible. If you're new on this channel, welcome. I'm Anozie, and I'm your favorite real estate consultant. If you are a returning subscriber, you are family. Thank you for always watching. Call me to get access to this Crux Estate. So we're just going to walk down the road a bit. This is the road in front of Crux Estate. After this gate, the next gate is actually Crux Estate. Okay, but as you can see, the road is not very accessible right now, but they are going to be working on it as soon as the rain stops. So yes, there across the road is Crux Estate. So it's an estate that was newly bought. So it's a very large expanse of land that the owner bought. Yes, that's the entrance down there. A very large expanse of land that the owner bought. all right, and he's going to develop it into estate. So he's going to just parcellate the land, all right, and then put inter roads, put a street lights, tar the roads, put good drainage system, and then sell out the plots to individuals. Okay, so go on and call me now to book a slot before it is fully booked. Okay, thank you for watching. Enjoy a fantastic day, and bye for now.